Hello friends, welcome to our channel Crafting Knowledge. Today we are discuss solved paper PSPCL JEE Civil Engineering 2019 प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर डिस्कस ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਪਾर्ट 1 ਪਹਿਲੇ 50 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਵਿਦ ਆਨਸਰ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਐਂਡ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਦਿਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਐਂਡ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਡੋਂਟ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਦਿਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਫਰਸਟ ਹਿਟ the subscribe button. Let's start. Question number 1. The process of rubbing down the wooden surface by means of pumice stone or glass paper after the prime coat is applied and the filling up all cracks, nails, holes, dents, open joint etc. with putty is known as stopping. इसे हम stopping बोलते हैं. Question number 2. Find the discharge over a Chipoli weir of length 2 meter when the head over weir is 1 meter. Take coefficient of discharge CD is 0.62. The answer is 3.66 meter cube per second. The temporary overburden pressure to which a soil has been subjected and under which it gets consolidated is known as pre-consolidation pressure. Question number 4. In theodolite, error is manipulated comes under personal error. Question number 5. A section of sewer constructed lower than adjacent section to pass beneath an obstacle or obstruction is called as depressed sewer. Question number 6. What does it mean if the PO odor intensity value is 5? Strong and intense odor. Which test is used to determine the temperature susceptibility of bitumen? The answer is second, softening point test. Question number 8. The core of blackboard IS 1659 is made up of stirrups of wood, each not exceed in width formation a slab glued between at least two surface veneer. The answer is 25 mm. Question number 9. The economic depth of back plate D is the design of plate girder dash where M is the maximum bending moment sigma BC is the permissible bending stress is K is constant. The answer is D equal to K M by sigma BC multiply 1 by 3 ratio 1 by 3. Formula of maximum efficiency of Pentel wheel turbine is where vane angle is outlet is maximum efficiency equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2. Question number 11. As per IS 2720 part 7 1980 by 87 the weight of rammer is modified protractor test is 4.9 kg. As per 456 2000 the partial factor of safety of concrete is 1.5. The head of water over a rectangular notch is 900 mm. The discharge is 300 liters. Find the length of notch when coefficient of discharge is CD is 0.62. Answer is 192 mm. The formula of modular ratio M in the reinforced concrete M equal to 280 divided by 3 sigma CBC. When reinforced steel is provided in compression reinforced concrete beam or column, the modular ratio is be considered for transformation is generally greater than the tension steel. Answer is greater than that of tension steel. Question number 16. A true statement verb clear cover is. It is the distance measured from exposed concrete surface to the nearest surface of reinforced bar. Question number 17. A rectangular channel of width 4 meter has a bed slope of 1 in 1500. Find the maximum discharge through the channel. Assume that the channel is most economical. Take cheesy constant C equal to 50. Answer is 10.32 meters square per second. The systematic departure of declination from its mean value during the period of 24 hours is known as diurnal variation. When piles are bonded together with water soluble glue, such encasing glue, dash is obtained. Interior grade plywood. Question number 20. A vein 10 meter long and 8 centimeter in diameter was pressed into soft clay at the bottom of borehole. Torque was applied and gradually increased to 45 Newton per mile. When failure took place, subsequently, the vein rotation rapidly so that the completely remolded the soil. If the remolded soil were sheared at a torque of 18 Newton per m, when the value of cohesion of clay in the remolded state. Answer is 14.1 kilonewton per meter square. Question number 21. The best side slope theta angle made by the side with horizontal for economical. Answer is second, theta equal to 60 degree. The ability of water saturated material to endure repeated freezing and thawing with considerable decrease of mechanical strength is known as frost resistance. आंसर इज फ्रॉस्ट रेजिस्टेंस. हमेशा हम गलत आंसर लगा जाते हैं. हाइड्रोस्कोपिसिटी. मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ considerable decrease of mechanical strength is known as frost resistance. Paint which are highly reflective and applied over radiator are bronze paint. A fluid in which shear stress is more than the yield value and the shear stress is proportional to the rate of shear strain is known as ideal plastic fluid. The constant of paint used to hide the surface of imperfection and the part of desired color. पिगमेंट. डिजायर्ड कलर आया ना, इसलिए पिगमेंट आएगा इसका. द प्रोसेस ऑफ टर्निंग द टेलीस्कोप इन हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन इज नोन एज स्विंगिंग द टेलीस्कोप. Swinging. The maximum deflection in steel beam is limited to where I is the span length. Answer is L by 325. This is based on IS code. Question number 28. Identify the type of strain in the given figure. Actually figure मिस होगी मेरे से, वो हेलिकल स्टेयर्स की थी. Question is important. All kind of stairs. Question number 29. Which type of notch is suitable for measuring load discharge and gives more accurate result? आंसर इज ट्रायंगुलर नोच. वी शेप की होती है ना, इसलिए. Calculate the moment of inertia of a rectangular lamina with respect to x-axis. Take 30 mm width along with x-axis and 60 mm depth along with y-axis. The interaction point of x and y-axis lie on the centroid of the given lamina. Answer is 54. The flow of open channel said to be subcritical in the Froude number is subcritical if the Froude number is less than 1. Subcritical Froude number यहाँ से याद रखना है. The flexural strength of M20 grade concrete as per is 456 IS 456 2000 3.13 MPa. The two most important operations to ensure the requirement of strength, impermeability and the durability of hardened concrete in the actual structure are placing and compacting. If the whole circle bearing is 211 degree 54 second, then the quadrantal bearing is 31 south 31 degree 54 west. The concentration of boron can be determined by the caloric and titrimetric method. In the pressure of boron, a solution of caramic acid is concentrated sulfuric acid change from bright red to which color? The answer is blue. Blue color में change होती है. The expression for critical depth HC is dash, where Q is the discharge per unit width. The G is the acceleration due to gravity. Answer is HC equal to Q square by G the power 1/3. ग्रीन वाला चेक कर सकते हैं, ये आंसर है. The formula for diastatic gamma D is term of bulk unit weight gamma and water content W is. Answer is gamma D equal to rho 1 plus W. Green वाला आंसर है. If the tangent length of for a simple curve is 12 meter and the chain edge of the point intersection is 360 meters and the chain edge of starting point of curve is 348 meters. For the constant water cement ratio, the aggregate cement ratio is reduced. The workability will be increased. According to JEE exam, the answer will be increased, and according to assistant engineer exam, no change. आंसर इसका ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. The latitude of a 50-meter line having bearing capacity is S40 west, 40 degree west is minus 38.3 meter L cos थीटा लगा के वो आंसर निकल जाएगा. L50 cos S40 L cos 40 minus 38.3. The impurity which are electrically charged due to particles usually very small in size remain in constant motion and do not settle are colloidal impurities. उन्हें हम बोलते हैं colloidal impurities. An undisturbed sample of clay 24 mm thick consolidated 50% in 20 minutes. When tested in the laboratory with drainage allowed at top and bottom, the clay layer from which the sample was obtained is 4 meter thick in the field. How much time will it take to consolidate 50% with double drainage? Answer is 386 days. Question number 43. Portland cement having less 3Ca tricalcium aluminate will have higher ultimate strength, higher generation of heat and less cracking. बिल्डिंग मटेरियल का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. The varnishes that are methyl spirit of wine as solvent in which of the soft resin such as lac or shellac are dissolved is known as. किसमें होती है स्पिरिट वार्निशेस में? An oven dried soil having a mass of 200 grams is placed in a pycnometer which is then completely filled with water. The total mass of pycnometer with water and soil inside is 1605 grams. The pycnometer filled with water alone has a mass of 1480 grams. Calculate the specific gravity of soil. सिंपल पिक्नोमीटर वाला फॉर्मूला लगेगा. इसका आंसर है 2.67. Soil has bulk unit weight of 20.11 kilonewton per meter cube and water content is 15%. Calculate the water content of the soil particle dries to unit weight of 19.42 kilonewton per meter cube. The void ratio remain unchanged. The answer is 11%. If the fluid has viscosity 0.05 pos and kinematic viscosity of 0.035 centimeter square per second, then the specific gravity of fluid is. Answer is 1.43. The permanent adjustment of both prismatic and surveyor compass include adjustment of level. सबसे पहले adjustment करनी पड़ती है level की. A classification of hydraulic turbine according to the type of energy at an inlet includes. Answer is reaction turbine. The protozoal disease of the following is amoebic dysentery.
अगर आप मुझे 1000 लाइक दोगे इस वीडियो पर तो मैं इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का फुल सॉल्यूशन अपलोड कर दूंगा.